Welcome, I'm Carol Watwood, Health Sciences Librarian. I'd like to show you how to run a simple PubMed search from the WKU Library's website to find peer-reviewed articles on a topic. PubMed is one of the most comprehensive ways to search the world's biomedical literature. I'll show you how to find articles, link to the full text, get articles we don't have, and save or download your results. To begin, click Databases from the WKU Library's homepage. Enter your WKU NetID and password. Entering PubMed through the database page lets you access WKU's subscribed full-text journals. Scroll down to PubMed. Notice the bookmark you can use. PubMed. I see a Google-like search box where I can enter a simple search. I'm going to search for Radon, Kentucky. Search. I get 13 results. Each of these 13 articles is a peer-reviewed or scholarly article having to do with radon in Kentucky. The full text of the articles is not searched. Here's the title, authors, the journal title abbreviation, year, month, and the DOI, everything I need to cite the article in correct APA format. Notice under Search Details, I can see what is being searched. PubMed uses automatic term mapping to map the search terms I enter to the medical subject headings or MESH. MESH terms beside each term tells me mapping has been successful. If I don't see this, I may want to try other terms to ensure complete retrieval. I'm going to click 13 to go back to my list of results. On the left, I can see filters or limiters that will help cut down my results if I get too many. Article types, publication dates, species, languages, or age groups are some of the limiters that I can use. Up at the top, I can use Format to change my results list to make my results easier to use. I can change to Abstract to show a short version of the article in the full text links. I can change my sort to Best Match to see the most relevant articles first. Let's review my 13 results. The first one, radon potential, etc., etc. Down at the bottom here is a link to the full text. Many of the articles will have the full text attached. Use the Check for Full Text at WKU link. The publisher links may ask you to pay for the article. You don't have to do this. We can get it for you free of charge if we don't have it. Note the Cite button lets me cite it in correct APA format. Always check for spacing, capitalization, and the hanging indent. Here's the full text links down at the bottom. Click one of these to open the full article. If you see PDF, this is always the form you should use. This is an Adobe Acrobat file that has the official version of the article. At the top right are a print button and download button that looks like a down arrow. I can use this to save the article to my computer or to print it out free of charge. When I'm done looking at this article or printing it, I can use the X key to return to my search. Within PubMed, the X key and the back key are your friend whenever you're looking at an article and you need to go back to your main list of articles. Many of these will have attached full text. Let's look for one that we don't have, and I'll show you how to get it. Here's a specialty journal that we don't have. I see the Check for Full Text at WKU Libraries link. When I click on this link, it says no full text available. That means we probably do not have the article. I click Request from Interlibrary Loan to turn on one-click ordering. Sign in with my NetID and password. And the request form is auto-filled. Click Submit Request to ask that the article be sent electronically to my WKU inbox. I'm going to click Cancel here. We can often get it within 1 to 2 working days for articles we don't have, and this service is free of charge. X to go back to my main results list. When I'm done printing out individual full-text articles, I can save the entire list, send it to myself, or download it to reference management software such as EndNote or Ref Manager or Zotero. Email is a green option letting me to email the entire list to myself with live links. Collections lets me sign in up here, give the collection a name, and stash it in a filing cabinet that will stay there even after I've signed off of PubMed. And Citation Manager lets me take the entire list and create a file for use with Zotero or Ref Manager or EndNote. Those are various options I can use. There are several ways I can print. One simple way is to use the file print command to print the entire page. If I only want, say, the first 3, I can check the boxes, and then just the first 3 will be sent or saved. These are several ways that I can save these articles. For more information, I can click PubMed to go back to the home page, and under Using PubMed, it will give me examples of specialized features and more complex searches. This video has shown you how to run a simple PubMed search. Thank you for watching.